At Rick's Motorsport Electrics, we specialize in high-quality, cost-effective alternatives to original equipment charging and starting components. Our aftermarket start motor for the 2008 to 2014 Yamaha XV1700 Roadstar Street Bikes is brand new. Built to OEM specifications with upgrades for better performance. The OE design's biggest flaw is that the magnets often come loose, causing the starter to fail. Rick's design uses an improved method of securing the magnets inside the starter's body. It's a reliable piece that's built to last. And like every part at Rick's Motorsport Electrics, it comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. For more information or to order online, visit us at ricksmotorsportelectrics.com or give us a call at 800-521-0277.